Hello everyone, I am Sajatan. In this video I am going to show you the time taken to charge Redmi Note 5 using the Qualcomm Quickcharge 3.0. So for the best cases and the temper glass for this Redmi Note 5, check the links in the description. And right now you can see the percentage is of 20% and time is of 2:15 PM. So I connected the Quickcharge 3.0. For every half an hour and 1 hour I'll be showing you the battery percentage. So after half an hour of charging you can see the battery percentage is of 47%, that is an increase of 27% guys. So and the temperature is of 38 degrees. So you can see the estimated time is around 56 minutes more. So after 1 hour the battery percentage increased to the 73%, that is an increase in of 53%. So still it shows the charging time remaining is of 30 minutes, but after 30 minutes of time you can see the battery percentage reached to the 94%. So the final 10% takes more time to charge, that is around like half an hour to charge from 90 to 100%. So around like 4:12 finally the battery reached to the 100% guys. So the last 6% took around like 20 minutes to charge. So these are the tests of the Qualcomm Quickcharge 3.0. So the results are like same when compared with the original charger of Xiaomi. So thank you guys for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries, you can contact me guys.